Guys, we're gonna engage shallow.
Inch up, guys.
Where, may DPS? Come, here, ganito. Ready, may disarray sila. Ready shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, Diego, back. Back. Defend.
River, don't use, ayun, patay. Don't use your heal like that, bro. You dead.
Okay,
River, don't do that.
Oh my God.
Gravity.
Yeah, okay, don't.
Heal si Chay,
Ready, guys, ready.
Yes.
Ready again.
Ready, Jayo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Reset.
Akala ko pa dyan, walang reflect.
May demon armor na, demonyo.
Meron, masakit.
Akala ko ba walang demon armor?
Hindi man, DA na yun na sila. Wala silang DA na gagawin. Wait.
Ready.
Wait. Grabe pa yan.
Dito, mali yung paggamit mo sa Ibar ng ano. Hindi ganun ang pag-heal sa player.
Ready, Ready, fast engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Go back.
Sakit to, inaabangan ko lang yung skill eh.
Go back.
Yung rebreaker mo, layo. Nasa likod pre, oh.
Okay, bait the demon armor. Wala sa demon dyan na. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Test on the gate in 5, 4, 3, wait. 2, 1.
Right na.
No.
Ano, GA ako.
Like, okay, go back. Okay, they going back.
They are going back. Why are they running?
Because Alliance is here, bro.
Alliance is
We have
here.
to rate to 18. Someone get up. Get up. Bail. Diba, come back. They pulling us.
They have battle mode. They can.
Stay here as possible.
Okay. Click the gate, guys. Wait. Come down. Come to you. We're gonna hit their backline. Come. Come, guys. We're gonna wipe them here. Come. Walk with me. Walk with me. Careful on the choke. Careful. Don't pass the choke. Wait. After the engage, look at me in 5, 4, 3, 1. No. Drop everything on the choke, guys. Go back.
Alliance get back. Don't stay in the choke. Let's defend.
Yeah, wait. Look for...
Ano sabi ng Alliance?
Malala.
They coming.
Yeah, I know.
Kailangan ko ba kumidnap ng isa dito, pre?
Hindi mo lang. Stay at the back if you have DPS. Stay at the back. I don't want to see you here in the front. If you are long range DPS, play at the back, guys. I'm gonna try and pick them one.
Ready.
They're just waiting for counter. Just look at the crown. Okay, ready? Talk in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step down. Step lang. Okay, go back. Dirty pin.
Don't clamp up. Don't clamp up. Don't clamp up. Don't clamp up.
Hindi ba? Reset. Heal up first. Tell me if you're ready.
Ready? Are we ready?
Okay. Wait. Be careful on the chalk. We're gonna pull them a bit.
Ah!
Ready.
Mamaya. May bedrock ka. Can you set? Diba, can you snare charge for me later?
Wala ka na.
I send you. Wait. Ready. On the choke in 5. Wait. 4, 3. Wait. Cancel. Go. Pass the choke, everyone. Pass the choke. I need cleanse. Papier pass. Headbutt now in 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. On the choke. Me. Oh my god. Go back. Kami ni Daya.
Oh, di kat GA, they alive. Kapatid tayo, never mind. Tora, Jiro, Kino, Sak.
Yeah. I'll heal.
Matay din si Sak. Gago na din si Sak.
They're engaging.
Fake.
It's fake.
It's a fake. Fake.
They coming.
Kaya, I baited them. Ready. Ready on me. Ready. 4. Wait. I get bedrock. Wala ka lang ang glance. Akin, kill this bedrock. Yo, where my DPS? Jed, sa akin ka tumingin, Brett.
Okay.
Iba yung biniit na. So, baka bit. Yo, Deba, you are too far, bro.
Yeah.
Ready.
I told you to stay on the ground, guys. Stay with me.
Ready. You're engaging,
Yeah, Delongin. Depend. Okay, never. Never mind, that's a fake. Ready, guys? Where are you? Ready? Come to me. Defense. Hello. Ready? Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Finish this guy. Wala ka talaga ma-execute na eh. Okay, go back.
Ay, hindi ba pa?
Come back, guys. Come back. We have.
Come to me. Come here at northeast. Ito, ano yan? Come in.
Ba't hindi ko na-pwesto yung bomber nila? Bomber to. Huwag mo pwestohan yung bomber nila.
Come in. Kameli. Stay behind a bit. We're just gonna wait for them to engage, then I will head back.
Oh my god, they engaged on our friend.
Namatay yung caller ng Bodega. Nakita ko. Wait. Just ready. They looking. Ready on me in the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Everything on the choke. Okay, go back.
Kill this step.
Hindi pinapatay ng bombs ko dyan direct tank pre. Dapat iniit nila yun. Yo, don't go to the choke, guy. Don't go to the choke. Oh my, why they staying on the choke? They gonna push, Ready on me? They gonna push. 5, 4. Wait, ready? 3, 2, 1. No.
Putang ina, no damage, pre.
Oh, depend. Go south. Go southeast. No.
Counter. Careful.
Okay, go back. At least they don't have defensive. Go back a bit. Try to reset.
Squad na naman
guys.
to.
Tell me if you're ready.
10 seconds, 10
3
seconds.
seconds.
15,
Okay,
15, no?
okay.
Pang squad behind us!
Lagi.
Okay, ready, Cheo.
Defend.
Oh my bomb squad.
May namatay doon.
May namatay na alay.
Alliance.
Okay. Deba, can you guard my backline? I think they have random. They have
Get back here. Come back here.
Give back south. Go back south. Let them come. Go back south. South. I'm gonna check the small blob here. Then try to go back to the area. Okay. Go back south a bit.
Eh, 3 to. Ang pangalan, high card.
Hindi, yun yung nakapatay na solo bomb eh.
So, may mat kaya ang daddy niya. Go back south. Read bro. Don't go to the front, bro. Don't go. Just stay behind. Stay behind. Back to Terry. Let them pass the choke. Go back to Terry. Let them pass the choke.
Nabuhay lang ako dun sa bomb squad dahil naka-soldier helmet ako eh. Kita ko nag-i-invi sa tabi ko.
Come back, guys. Come back to the Terry.
I think, buddy, talaga tayo, pag dito talaga tayo magpe-labas. Kasi yung comp natin, pang dito talaga siya eh.
Nasa northwest side yung mga nasa northwest na...
Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, nagana sa atin eh, wala sa kanila.
May mga random na later.
I-offer mo kaya yun sa ano natin, sa alliance natin. Kasi, I think low kasi tayo kasi tayo pinabam nung ano eh.
Okay. Tama na yan.
Depende lang. Yes, go up. Fuck the rat.
Kill the rats.
Nire-relay kayo dyan.
Go back a bit. Go back a bit.
Pagurin mo lang buddy, maiinip din yung mga lamang tayo dito, pwede tayo mag-double OC din.
Diyan, doon ka masyado mag-front pag baka makatakan. Sino? Naka-spirit counter ka ba? Try mo nga mag-harpoon ka nga sa...
Namatay si high card, bro!
Wait.
Namatay si tropa ko. Nilot na si tropa.
Mag-harpoon ka nga, Tapos, mag-harpoon ka na isa.
Nakuha ng kalaban yung 8.3 niya.
Tol, pagsabihan mo nga to si Snap. Tol, wag ganito yung build oh.
Aston.
Ang nakakaya sa alliance natin. I mean, proper naman siya kaso hindi siya... Tamo 1-1 yung IP pre, magiging disarray yan. 30 yung disarray natin oh, di ba kayo na ano dyan?
Go back, guys. Go back. Okay, ready. After the engage, ready. 3. We go deep. 3, 2, 1. Deep. Everything. Nice one. Finish up. Okay, go back. Don't stay in the choke. Go back. Don't stay on the choke.
Meron pa isang Gucci 8.3 oh. Si John Darryl. Si
Ito, wait ako.
Si tropa.
Ayun na, nandito si Kamla, no?
Oh, pinagano ko sila, pinapunta ko talaga sila.
Ang ina, baka pinapunta mo sila tapos dito sila mandaga. Sabi mo doon sa kabila.
Wait. They're looking. Go back. Who is this? Yonadi. Don't go to the choke. Yonadi! I told you don't go to the choke. Oh, wait. Ready. Deep. Deep. Wait.
Ah, tumalsik ka, pre.
Go back. I get better ako. Wala pala tayo na helmet yun pala yung wala.
Okay, yung tinatanong ko sa'yo kanina, Jed.
Oo, ay.
Baka pwede mo pagpalitin yung isa. Sayang yung engage na gano'n, no? Kung naklamp natin.
Lag ng Alvin.
Yung mga ila sa mga game. Wait. Nag-fake lang sila. Wait. They fake. Stay out on the choke. Go south a bit. Go south a bit. Go south a bit. Defend, guys, if you are in there. Ready. Deep
Ready,
on the
ready.
choke in 5, 4. Wait. 3, 2, 1. No. Everything is left.
Shallow.
Shallow. Finish this guy. You only have HP.
Down, boss.
Bakit pa kali?
Finish him.
Nagpo-plug sila.
Nice one.
Eh, kinakata yung likod mo.
Go back.
Like I
Ratters, ha?
Go back.
Tora got bomb.
Go.
Okay.
Stay with me.
Napos na yung choke. Go past the choke. Wait. Come east. Come west with me. West with me in 5, 4, 3. Wait. 2.
Uli ka ba?
No.
Wala, hindi nabot.
Go back. Makita nila.
Patay si Burning Dog.
Hindi, umano ako dun sa Alliance. Chinek up ko yung Alliance.
Go back.
Dapat talaga hindi tayo napapakain kasi ang objective
May bomb squad, Jay. Sa likod.
Yeah. I know. Spread, guys. Spread. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Bomber. Get purge. Chase this guy. Come.
Patay mo, mistang ka.
Chase.
Putang na, naklamp sila.
Chase this guy.
Bomb squad.
Oh, they. Wait, another solo bomb.
Wala nang boots to. Never mind. Wala nga
Ito sa akin dito.
Bago patay tayo.
Ano nangyari?
May kabik. Pinasok na tayo ng Marlika.
Oh, welcome to the
Nasa
dairy, guys.
gitna na kayo ng
Keep
block, pre.
Keep the gate.
Tintik na mamatay.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit natin hinahabol sila.
Tintik na...
Namatay ba si Jay?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ano?
I'm back again, bro.
We're going back na naman.
Stay tari muna. Daming random bomber.
Sabihan mo yung Alliance chat, sabihin mo ano.
Sinabi ka na. Ayos ko na ba yan? Nasa TeamSpeak.
Nag-mount up na daw yung Marlika.
Mayaw na?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, magbabang muna. Pre, Pilipino yung mga yan.
Hindi ko may makalabas. Ano to? Hindi ko mapindot.
Ha? Ba mababasag na kasi yun. Pag mababasag na yung bawal mo na pindutin.
Okay.
Paano mo nalaman na na-depend na natin, pre?
May mga labas yung random.
Mamaya pa, may
Pag
ray
binitawan
banner.
nila yung banner, hindi ba nila binibitawan yung banner?
So susuko sila para parang ganun. Para matigil.
Okay, pabuhay pa yung mga longbow natin dyan. Oo, wala na sila.
Meron. Mga DPS pa. Longbow, wala nang longbow. Isa, si Bill Ketche.
Ako na lang sasabay kay Bari. Sak, and kaso 2 beses na namatay itong si yung healer natin eh. Wala na ata sa ring.
Sila ba lang?
They going. They left.
They left. It's gonna click the banner and we're gonna yun na, bawal lumabas. Ito mahirap sa gate, bawal lumabas pag nabasa, pag natanggal na yung crystal.
Logi talaga tayo taon kanina.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Ito kasi ito eh.
Oh, nandiyan sila. They're walking.
Oh, they.
Nice,
Yo,
GA.
depend. Wait, come guys.
3 seconds.
Wait, 3,
Ready?
2, 1, this guy, kill this guy. Go back.
Loot team. Babalik pa ba mo ngayon?
Ewan ko lang.
Hanggat hindi na detepend, wag kayong umalis. Don't leave eh.
Saan lang sa
Pwede.
Hindi rin.
Wait, ready. Asan guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lock.
We got GA.
No. Defend.
Ah, putang ina, patay ako.
Defend. Oh my God, guys. Defend. Go south, guys. Go south. Go south a bit, wait. No. No, don't go to the joke. Ready on me. Ready, look at me. Look west in 5,
GA.
4, 3, 2, 1. No, kill this clear counter, guys. Kill. Okay, go back. Spread. Defend. Oh, shit. Guys, 1, 2, 3. Okay, may defense pa ako. Ready. In 5 seconds. Lisa, ready?
Yeah.
Ready.